we had sunny skies for most of the day. High temperatures got once again to near 80. If you look off into our western counties, we do have some clouds and even some showers around. We will see how far east they make it as they cross the border from Wyoming. We still think from Scottsbluff and points off to the east, we will stay mainly dry. Still pretty warm for this time of night at 76 degrees. Wind east around 9 miles per hour. That dew point of 40, so just a little bit of humidity in the atmosphere with that easterly wind. Here's a look at temperatures around the region. Now we're at 76 Scottsbluff, 75 at Harrisburg, 74 Alliance, and Chadron, the warm spot at 78 degrees. Along the I-80 corridor into the low to mid 70s right now with that wind, mainly from an easterly or even southeasterly direction, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Now, here's a look at the satellite loop. Mainly clear skies from Scottsbluff and points off to the east with partly cloudy to even mostly cloudy skies off to the west, and some shower activity up and down the I-25 corridor, especially out toward Wheatland and Chugwater, but it looks like it is drying up as it makes its way into our Nebraska counties. So across the country, we do have the triple high pressure system. In fact, this high up here actually might be the thing most in charge of our forecast, because we do have that strong easterly wind, but in the upper atmosphere we do have a southerly flow, so we do have some moisture in the atmosphere, but we are warmer than average. The highs are giving us a good amount of sunshine, and as you make your way into southeastern Wyoming, a little bit of a disturbance, so cloudy skies, just a few showers, but this high-pressure system to our west is really going to take charge as we go through time. So any of the showers look to dissipate, maybe some clouds during the evening as temperatures fall back to near 60, and during the overnight we fall from the 50s into the upper 40s for some of us. And then for the day tomorrow, more of a southerly wind, so that high has moved off to the east. The dry air will really warm up quickly, so low to mid 80s for highs, but we still stay mainly dry, maybe a few more passing clouds. As we go into Thursday morning, starting off into the lower 50s, and then high temperatures will be into the mid, maybe some upper 80s for Thursday. A little bit of a cold front making its way through, a surge of warm air ahead of it, and it looks like there is a very slight chance of some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder on Thursday, but we have better chances Friday into Saturday. So that high pressure system crests over us, moves off to the east, and another low sets up just off to our west. Now, that will give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms as we make our way through the weekend. Let's take a look at Hurricane Ian right now. Latest advisory has it at winds 120 miles per hour. That is a Category 3 hurricane just off, well, so we'll say between Havana, Cuba, and Key West, Florida. Now, if it continues on its track, it's going to hit the land sometime tomorrow morning between Fort Myers and Tampa, and then it will ride up the eastern coast of Florida. It will really start to weaken down to around tropical storm strength as it hits Orlando, and then it will start to dissipate over South Carolina and Georgia as a tropical depression. So it looks like we do have that major hurricane once again set to hit between Tampa and Fort Myers. That is going to happen tomorrow late morning into early afternoon. So we'll keep our eyes on that one. We'll definitely have more news stories coming up. Into the mid-80s as we make our way Wednesday into Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. And then Friday and Saturday, cloudy skies with a good chance of some showers. Temperatures falling from the upper 70s back to near 70, lower 70s Sunday and Monday. And we'll keep that 10 to 20% chance of showers all the way through next Tuesday. Cooler, a high near 70. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. New research may have commuters everywhere rethinking their drive to work. With many people returning to the office, those traffic buildups are starting to get back to normal as congestion in many areas are nearing pre-COVID levels and extending the time you spend on the road. We have more on this story.
With many Americans hitting the road